You see this sum. Examine the continuity of the function. The function given like this, you see. When x not equal to a, mod x minus a into sine 1 by x minus a. Here there is no mod. When x equal to a, it is 0. You have to check the continuity at x equal to a. Here you see x not equal to a, this function we have to take. But this function involved the absolute value function. So this mod x minus a sometimes with a negative sign will come, sometimes it will come positively. It depending on the inner part of this one. What is the inner part of this one? X minus a. If x minus a is negative, then to remove this modulus you have to keep one minus. If x minus a is positive, to remove the modulus nothing to put, means plus sign we have to put. So for this one also you draw the number line like this. Here a. Left side to a, x is here, means x is less than a, x minus a is negative, so mod minus x minus a, mod x minus a will come minus of x minus a. And when you take x here, x greater than a, so x minus a is positive, sorry, here complete the 1 by x minus a. Here you write x minus a, no need to write minus sign, sine 1 by x minus a. And exactly at a, what is the value, can you tell? 0. Okay, this is the function given. When x less than a, this function you have to take for LHL. When x greater than a, this function we have to take for RHL. Function value is 0. So the thing is only, you have to calculate the limit of this one. So LHL I am writing first. LHL at x equal to 0 is limit x tends to a. LHL function directly I am writing mod x minus a into sine 1 by x minus a. So this minus I will take here, limit x tends to a, x minus a into sine 1 by x minus a. Here one important thing I will tell that. So suppose you want to calculate limit f of x into g of x, x tends to a. If you know that limit of f of x is 0, see, limit of x tends to a, f of x is 0, and gx is bounded function. Bounded means what? Bounded means lies between two finite numbers. Means one minimum value, one maximum value should be there. For example, here sine function is there. Sine of whatever it may be, sine value always lying between minus 1 to 1. So it is a bounded function. When second function is bounded function and first function limit is 0, then the product of the limit will be 0. So this is the thing we have to note down. Limit fx into gx x tends to a equal to 0 if first function limit is 0, second function is bounded function. Same concept I will use, you see. What is the limit of x minus a when x tends to a? 0. Sine function is bounded function. So it is minus into 0, 0 only. Now we will go for RHL. RHL is what? X minus a into sine 1 by x minus a will come. So now I will write RHL, you see, equal to limit x tends to a. RHL function what? X minus a into sine 1 by, this minus won't be there. So this minus not there. Again, this is 0, this is bounded function. So limit product of limit of product equal to 0, 0. So RHL is also 0, LHL is also 0. What is the function value?
0.
0. So what you got? LHL equal to RHL equal to f of a. Therefore, f is continuous at x equal to a. Okay. Now you see that this problem, for what value of k is the function, some function defined here. When x not equal to 0, sine 5x by 3x. When x equal to 0, k, continuous at x equal to 0. So here continuity of the function given at x equal to 0. So f is continuous at x equal to 0. Then what we have to write? LHL equal to RHL equal to function value. So first only write that sentence. Since f is continuous at x equal to 0, LHL at x equal to 0 equal to RHL at x equal to 0 equal to f of 0. But one thing you see, this function not defined at x less than 0 what, at x greater than 0 what, at x equal to 0 what, like that. Directly it is given when x not equal to 0. And when x less than 0 we have to take same function. When x greater than 0 also we have to take the same function only. So LHL and RHL same value only will come. Only we have to check this limit value is, we have to equate to k, then k value will come. Very important thing, you should know the limits, simple limits, not very complicated limits like that. Simple limits we have to learn. We have some formulas. Here I will write, you see, sine ax by x when x tends to 0 is a. This is a very important limit. So if it is in this form, directly we can write that one. Now you see that, see, no, I am not writing LHL and RHL separately, I am writing limit only. Limit x tends to 0, f of x, here when x not equal to 0, we have to write sine 5x by 3x. This one you see, limit x tends to 0, sine 5x by x into 1 by 3. This 3 I have written separately. By our formula, you know that the value of this one is 5. 5 into 1 by 3 is 5 by 3. Limit value is 5 by 3. What is the function value f of 0 here? F of 0 is k. But it is given that limit value equal to function value. Therefore, k equal to 5 by 3. So for the value of k 5 by 3, this function is continuous at x equal to 0.